You know, in my interview with Chasing the Cure, she asked what I have lost with this, and just so much that you've lost it. It's hard to put it in a list, especially at private, just because everything's kind of important. But probably the most important thing that I'm losing is my job. I've lost contributing to my 401k. That's not been, you know, it's not growing. So my retirement years are suffering. There's a series of events that this is causing from social life to expenses, the debt involved in all these doctors who have done absolutely nothing, the MRIs, the surgeries, that have corrective surgeries, they all cost a lot of money and just don't cover 100%. Not even close. So I'm invested in this. Just the emotional stress that's involved. I was telling her about a story, just like, okay, I think I didn't say this to her, but it was my birthday. We were out to dinner, and I started hiccuping, and this woman turned head like I had the plague. She was to me with this disgusting face, like, how dare you come into our environment and disrupt our meal with your sounds. So, just like I also go to movies, but I have to go to matinees where they're empty. Can't go out on a, you know, evening out with my partner. Just things, just don't think of. I attended some friends' weddings, close friends, that I'd stand in the back, away from the in case I started. So, there's just so much.